song because we've been practicing so much the white keys that we forgot a little bit about the black ones. So this song, it's actually funny because it's called the Waltz, the Dance of the Dogs, and it goes like this. So this song has a lot of coordination between the right hand and the left hand. We're gonna take it very slowly, little by little, yeah? So we are gonna start with the 2 black keys. If you remember from our first session, we have the 2 black keys and we have finger 2 and finger 3. Okay. And then right away, we are gonna go to the left hand and we are gonna take the lowest one of the 3 black keys. Okay? So we go like this. And then we are going to split from these 2 black keys to the next ones. And we are going to play them at the same time. So. Okay, let's try. And then you split your fingers and you go here. Yeah, okay. The black keys are usually played much closer to the edges, yeah, because it's more comfortable this way. So. 2 times. Because it imitates the dog, yeah? Woof, woof. No. Yes, very nice. Perfect. So remember, the fastest way to go is slow because if you go steady and slow, you learn everything much faster. Okay? Okay. So after this, 2 times, yeah? You did this perfect. We go for the next, which is the same, but only 1 time. Then we go lower. And even lower, and then from the 2 black keys we go inside to the next 2 white keys. Okay, so let's do it one more time. Let's break it down. Okay, only this part. All right, so we go 2 and lower and lower. 1 by 1, yes. 1 by 1, yes. So you go. Okay. So one more time. Lower black key and even lower black key. Next one. Lower. 1, 2, 3. Yes, exactly. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Yes, perfect. 2, 3. Yes. So when this happens, you just have to go from the beginning. Yeah. Learn very well your first part, and then little by little you start with the second part. Yeah. Okay. And don't ever try to play the whole song at the same time. Yeah. Little parts is gonna take you a long way. Okay. So let's do one more time the first part. This is the part already that we've done. Yeah. Let's do it one more time. Very nice. Perfect. Okay, now add 2 times. Okay. Okay, so as we said before, you just go very slowly. Don't go too fast. Remember exactly what we talked in the lesson. Play right after we had the lesson, or at least one day after. Don't let it pass more than 1 or 2 days, because after it's gonna go away from your head. And don't be too harsh on yourself, because this is a difficult thing to do. You know, it's you coordinate both hands at the same time, so don't ask from yourself to do it like really fast and in very short time, because like I said before, it's a language. So you know, you can learn maybe a word to say, but it doesn't mean yet that you know how to speak the language, or even to say maybe like a phrase to just like get by. So it takes a little bit of time, but you know what, you are very advanced and you're going so well. So thank you so much for your patience.
Thank you.
And I'll see you in the next one.
See you, for sure.
That was our 9th session from CASIO Pianos. Looking forward for the 10th one.